Hi, I'm Gary Wilcox from a company called Monit. We've been in business now for over 24 years and we do basically compliance, workplace health and safety and other compliance matters. And so when ESG came along, it was something that obviously we were attracted to because we supply the business world, so we do business to business. And when we saw this coming in, the ESG, which stands for Environmental Social Governance, we didn't know what it was when we started reading about it, and then we realised, oh dear, how is the business owner going to cope? And so then we started to look more and more into it. I'm from the panel trade originally, and so I thought there's no way they can possibly do all of this without some support. So we looked around and we realised there was nobody else here, so we had to do it. So then we've since developed tools, software, processes and other things so that anybody that is faced with any ESG challenges, we're fine, we've got that covered already. And it's probably, from speaking now, probably a couple of years away from the average panel shop out there.